Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself. My name is Iin Indayanti. I'm 35 years old. I come from Indramayu, West Java, Indonesia. My height 147 cm. My weight 65 kg. My religion is Muslim. My last education junior high school. I have one daughter. I have experience in Arab 3 years from 2016 until 2019. My job is general housework, cleaning, cooking, and take care children. I can cook Arabian food, simple. Biryani, chicken curry, chicken majubus, soup vegetable, and fried chicken. I want to go Hong Kong because I need money for my family and my children's study. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Hong Kong. Bye-bye.